Bon dia, Sandwich fans. Sandwich Dad here. How are ya? Today on Sandwich Dad, we're heading to sunny São Paulo, Brazil for the Prensado hot dog. Now, from what I understand, Prensado means pressed, maybe? I'm not sure. I didn't research that part. But it looks like it's a very popular street food, especially in São Paulo. We've got hot dogs, bacon, corn, shoestring potatoes, mozzarella cheese, mayo, ketchup, and, mashed potatoes. First things first, because I have no class, I'm going to put my hot dogs in the microwave. Here comes two. Nuked wieners are ready. Ow! I've watched a few videos of street vendors layering it. Whoops, but I'm going to use mayo, ketchup, and the dogs, and the mashed potatoes, some sweet corn, bacon, mozzarella cheese, and these shoestring potatoes, which I guess you can buy in Brazil, but I just shredded some potatoes and fried them. All right, now we'll put this together. Might need two hands for this, and I didn't bring my tripod. All right, then we're gonna give it over to the world's cleanest George Foreman grill with a little bit of butter on it, and Prensado. All right, how are we doing? Ho ho ho! Looking good so far. Dog's trying to escape a little. Clearly my technique is not superb, but it's my first day. Okay, I managed to get the hot dog slightly more in the bun, so now it's time to, of course, cut diagonally and reveal. Little separation between the wieners, but all in all, looks pretty good to me. All right, my attempt at a São Paulo Prensado pressed hot dog taste test. Would I eat this while drunk in Brazil? Yes. Would I eat it while sober in Saskatchewan? Also yes. Hopefully, São Paulo, I did your street food justice. Let me know if I can improve, but I'm going to give this a pretty solid 4.75 out of 5 easy chairs. This is Sandwich Dad. Good day!